This drawing is so cute, and it's super easy to follow. Minions speak a funny language called Minionese. It's a mix of playful sounds and words from different languages that always makes you giggle. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and fun drawing ideas. Guess what? Minions absolutely love bananas. They will do almost anything for a banana, and it's their favorite treat. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Some minions have one eye, while others have two or even three. Each one is unique, which makes them even more fun and interesting. Wow! Isn't it amazing how this drawing comes together step by step? Each step makes this drawing even more adorable. Don't you agree? Feel free to pick any colors you love and make it uniquely yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.